In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the preview version of Windows 11. So let's start right now. Click Start, Settings, and choose Update and Security. Now, click Windows Insider Program and click the Get Started button. You will be asked to pick an account. Click the plus button and choose one of the two options. Use the work or school account option to use an email already associated with Microsoft. For example, an Office 365 email. Choose Microsoft account to use a free Microsoft email like Outlook.com, Hotmail.com, or another personal email. In this video, I will choose the second option. Make your choice and click Continue. If you are using a Microsoft email, enter it to log in. If you want to use a personal email, click the Create One link. This will create a link between your personal email and Microsoft. In this video, I will use my Gmail to connect. If you are doing the same, then after clicking the Create One link, enter your email and click Next. Choose a password and click Next. Enter your name and click Next. Enter your country, date of birth, and click Next. Verify your email by entering the code you received from Microsoft and click Next. Read the contents of this next screen and either click Next or the Microsoft Apps Only link. Make your request to join the Windows Insider program by clicking the Register button. Read the contents and click the Sign Up button. Review the terms, check the checkbox in this screen and click Submit. Now, click the Close button. The loading screen says this won't take long and has a Cancel button. I waited more than 10 minutes and eventually decided to cancel. If you do the same, click the Get Started button again, then Link Account. And now, you should see your email as one of the choices. Choose it and click Continue. Now you need to pick a channel. Pick either the dev or the beta channel and click Confirm. Read the note in the next screen and click Confirm. And the final step in this registration would be to restart your computer. Click the Restart Now button to proceed. After the restart, click Start, Settings, and choose Update and Security. Click the Windows Insider program and verify that the dev or beta channel is selected. Now, click Windows Update and check for updates. Windows 11 will now appear as one of the updates. Allow the computer to download and install it. You will be requested to restart your computer to continue with the installation of Windows 11. The installation will continue after the restart. Once the installation is complete, your Windows 11 will be ready for you to use. Just like after Windows 10 installation, you should start by checking for updates and installing them. Run WinVer to see the build of your Windows 11. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make more videos like this, or if you have any thoughts or suggestions regarding this installation process. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon to be notified when a new video is published. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.